Welcome to the legendary hills of Uji, Japan, where the journey of premium matcha begins under the protective embrace of traditional black shading nets. For nearly 30 days, these delicate leaves grow in the shade, a process that boosts chlorophyll levels to create a signature deep and vibrant green color. As the harvest begins, modern mechanical harvesters glide through the rows, carefully selecting only the finest top leaves to ensure the highest quality of tencha. The leaves are whisked away instantly, preserved in their freshest state, as the machines work with a rhythmic precision that honors centuries of Japanese tradition. This delicate balance of nature and technology allows us to capture the peak essence of the tea plant at the exact moment of its maturity. At the collection point, advanced robotic systems take over, ensuring that every batch is handled with speed and care to prevent any early oxidation. Every bag is tracked and monitored, maintaining a strict cold chain to keep the raw tea leaves as fresh as the moment they were plucked. Speed is of the essence. The leaves must reach the processing plant within hours to lock in the nutrients and the vivid green pigment. Inside the facility, the air is filled with the crisp scent of fresh vegetation as the first stage of the transformation from leaf to powder begins. This massive volume of greenery represents the hard work of the farmers and the incredible bounty of the Uji region's unique soil and climate. A gentle wash removes any environmental particles, preparing the tea for the most critical step in preserving its color, the high-pressure steaming process. The leaves enter the steaming chamber, where high-temperature vapor instantly stops the fermentation process, freezing the tea's biological clock and natural vitality. This process, known as Mushi, is the secret to matcha's health benefits, as it preserves the catechins and antioxidants within the leaf structure. Vibrating belts move the hot leaves forward, shedding water droplets through high-frequency motion to prepare the tea for the rapid cooling stage. Enormous cooling fans blast the tea with chilled air, a crucial flash cooling technique that prevents the leaves from cooking further and turning yellow. The result is a stunning, deep green leaf that looks almost more vibrant than it did in the field, bursting with concentrated tea essence. This automated journey is monitored by sensors that adjust the airflow and temperature in real time for perfect consistency across every single batch. Quality control is constant. Technicians ensure the steaming was uniform, as even the slightest variation can affect the final flavor profile of the matcha. The sheer scale of this machinery demonstrates the precision required to produce premium-grade matcha at a level that meets global demand. Every parameter is digitally controlled, ensuring that the ancient art of tea making is perfectly replicated through the power of modern engineering. The leaves have undergone a remarkable transformation, shedding their raw botanical state to become the raw material for the world's finest powdered tea. Cascade through the facility, a constant stream of green energy being refined at every turn by sophisticated sorting and processing equipment. Even the distribution of the leaves is optimized, preventing clumping and ensuring that every leaf receives the same amount of heat and air. The cellular structure remains intact, holding the precious amino acids and L-theanine that give matcha its unique umami flavor and calming properties. As we move into the drying phase, the leaves prepare for their final dehydration, a step that will make them brittle enough for sorting. Safety and hygiene are paramount, as the tea is now in a state where it can easily absorb scents and environmental impurities. The Tencha row dryer uses multi-stage heating to slowly remove moisture, turning the soft leaves into dry, brittle flakes known as Tencha. This slow drying process is essential. It develops the deep, toasted aroma that characterizes high-quality Tencha before it is ground into powder. Once dried, the leaves are ready for the most intricate sorting process, where the stems and veins are removed to ensure ultimate smoothness. High-velocity air currents act like a precise filter, separating the nutrient-rich meat of the leaf from the bitter stems and woody veins. By removing these elements, we eliminate any grit or bitterness, leaving only the purest parts of the tea leaf for the final grinding. Its leaves are sifted through multiple layers of screens, ensuring that only flakes of the perfect size and weight move forward to the mill. This is Tencha in its purest form, the essential raw material that will soon be transformed into the fine velvet-like powder known as matcha. The Tencha is then stored in climate-controlled environments, aging slightly to develop its full flavor profile before it meets the stone mills. The scale of the operation is immense, yet the focus remains on the microscopic details of every single leaf flake produced. Optical sorters use advanced imaging to detect and remove any flake that doesn't meet the strict color standards for ceremonial-grade quality. Every aspect of the environment is designed to maintain the purity of the product, ensuring a flavor that is untainted and perfectly fresh. Watching the Tencha fall is like witnessing the essence of the tea fields being concentrated into their most potent and valuable form. Full traceability is guaranteed, allowing us to connect every gram of final powder back to the very soil where it was grown. In the silence of the vault, the tea waits for its final transformation, protected from light and heat to preserve its delicate aromatics. Now, we enter the most sacred part of the facility, where ancient stone grinding techniques meet the requirements of a sterile modern world. This is the grinding room, a place of mesmerizing rhythm where hundreds of granite stones turn at a slow, deliberate pace. The slow rotation is vital. It prevents the generation of heat, which would otherwise burn the delicate tea and destroy its flavor. One by one, the flakes are pulled into the heart of the stone, where the pressure and friction begin to break them down. At the edge of the stones, the transformation is complete. The Tencha flakes have become a powder so fine it feels like silk. It takes 1 hour of grinding just to produce 30 grams of this powder, a testament to the patience required for true quality. The rhythmic humming of the stones is the only sound in this sterile sanctuary, a symphony of tradition and mechanical perfection. Every grain is precious. Soft bristled robotic brushes carefully gather the powder, ensuring that none of the vibrant green gold is wasted. The powder is sifted to a size of 5 to 10 microns, ensuring that it will dissolve perfectly and create a smooth, frothy bowl of tea. Once ground, the matcha is extremely sensitive. It is immediately transported through sealed systems to maintain its peak freshness and color. The design of these stones has remained unchanged for centuries, a perfect geometric solution for achieving the ultimate level of fineness. Under magnification, the uniformity of the particles is clear, providing the consistent quality that professional tea masters and connoisseurs demand. Constant monitoring ensures that the grinding environment never fluctuates, preserving the volatile aromatic compounds that give matcha its soul. The brilliance of the green is a direct reflection of the care taken in every step, from the shading of the fields to this final grind. This facility bridges the gap between the ancient world and the future, producing a product that is both timeless and technologically advanced. Behind the stones, a complex system of gears and motors works tirelessly, providing the steady power needed for 24-hour production. The steady flow of material ensures that the stones run dry, maintaining the perfect pressure needed for the grinding process. Each stone has its own character, yet together they work to produce a single, unified standard of excellence that is recognized worldwide. The density of the powder means that a small amount contains a massive concentration of the plant's natural energy and nutrients. Inside, the environment is perfect. Outside, the world continues, but here, time slows down to the pace of a rotating stone. The individual streams of matcha unite, a river of green that represents the final culmination of months of careful cultivation and processing. Precision is the final watchword. Every milligram is accounted for as we prepare for the final stage of our journey, packaging. We leave the darkness of the grinding room and return to the clinical brilliance of the packaging area, where speed and airtightness are key. The powder has never touched human hands, and it never will, ensuring a level of purity that meets the highest medical standards. In the packaging room, robots work with lightning speed, filling tin cans to the exact milligram under a protective nitrogen atmosphere. Nitrogen flushing removes all oxygen from the container, a critical step to prevent the matcha from oxidizing and losing its flavor. The lids are sealed instantly, locking in the freshness and the vibrant green color for the long journey to customers around the world. Each tin is a promise of quality, a small piece of Uji's heritage delivered in a modern, elegant, and perfectly preserved package. To ensure perfection, every batch is sampled by a master tea taster who evaluates the color, aroma, and most importantly, the froth. The rapid movement of the bamboo whisk aerates the tea, creating a creamy, emerald foam that is the hallmark of ceremonial-grade matcha. The texture is perfect, the aroma is transcendent, and the color is a vivid reminder of the sun-drenched fields of Japan. This is the final result of our process, a drink that offers clarity, energy, and a deep connection to the natural world. In this single cup, centuries of tradition and the peak of modern technology come together in perfect, delicious harmony. Our commitment to excellence ensures that every sip you take is a journey into the heart of premium Japanese tea culture. From the shaded fields to your bowl, experience the pure perfection of premium matcha. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey.